Run it back.
Hey everyone! Hope you are doing well. We are going to discuss the most simple, easy, and important topic today. Before starting new topic, let's take a review of previous lecture. In previous lecture, we discussed about basic structure of C++ program. That includes preprocessor directives, main function, and program body. We have discussed each part in detail. As we know, each program contains these parts. A program having no main function can be compiled but cannot be executed. So, if you face such kind of problem, check your main function. Hashtag symbol is used to add preprocessor directives. We also learned about some header files like iostream, conio, and math.h. In this lecture, we will study cout and cin objects of iostream in detail. After this lecture, you will be able to answer following questions. What is the use of cin object? What is the use of cout object? What are the two ways to use cout? And in the last we will discuss about the difference between cin and cout. So, here we will discuss our first question. Use of cin. The cin is an object of input stream class of iostream.h header file. It is used to get standard input from user, like asking the user to enter his name. Here, cin is pronounced as cin, and full form of cin is character input. The cin reads data from standard input devices like keyboard. We use extraction operator to get input from user. Move on to the working of cin object. Anything like alphabet or numbers entered from keyboard is read by cin object and assigned to given variable. It means whenever the user enter the value, it will be stored in corresponding variable. So we use extraction operator here with cin object. Let's move to the next question. Use of cout object. The cout is an object of ostream known as output stream class of iostream h. It is used to display standard output. It means that it is used to display value we get from user. Or we can also display some message for users, like kindly enter your name. The cout is pronounced cout, and full form is character output. The cout object uses insertion operator to display everything written after it. The cout connected with the standard output devices like display screen. Now let's discuss the working of cout in detail. As there is an extractor operator, a display screen, and a variable having some value. We have to display the value of variable or simply a message, so we use extraction operator to extract the value of variable and display it in the screen. Now, a focus on the operator. It's a great hint, or a trick to remember the symbols of operator used for cin and cout. Let me know in comment sections if you get that trick or not. Okay, now move to the next slide. In this slide, we will learn to use cout in two different ways. First of all, we will discuss how to display a simple message using cout. So we use double quotes to display our message. As you can see the syntax here. Message can be of any type, like if you want to ask any question or want to give some important information to user, you can simply type your message in double quotes. Second way is to display the value of a variable. You have to simply write the variable name after extraction operator. Don't forget to add semicolon in the end. Remember that we use double quotes to display our message and we don't use double quotes to display the value of variable. Now, it's time to check it practically. Open your software. I use Turbo C++, but you can use any of them, like Dev, Visual Code, etc. Now, I'm going to add iostream and conio.h header files. We already discussed them in detail. I will drop the link in description box. Adding main function as we use cin and cout in our main body. Adding clear screen function to remove previous output. Now, we have to declare a variable of integer type. We will learn about different data types in upcoming lectures. Just remember that int is used to get numeric values. Now, it's time to use cout. First of all, display a message for user to enter his or her roll number. Don't forget to add semicolon in the end. To get roll number from user, cin is used with insertion operator. As we get value, let's display the value stored in roll number variable. Remember the note, we use double quotes with message. And don't use double quotes to display value. Adding get character function to display output until any key pressed. Take a quick review. We declare a variable and get the value from user and stored it in that variable using Cin. After that, we displayed the value using cout. Now let's compile it, as there is no error, so we can run it. Here is our output, adding 23 as roll number. Now let's take another example, adding n line manipulator to move to the next line. Display a message to get any integer or number from user. We can say, enter any integer. As we know, we have to store a value, so we need a variable. Doing the same process again, but with other variable. Add Cin object to get value. And cout to display it. I am repeating points again and again so that you can memorize them easily. Don't forget to add semicolon in the end. Running the code and we get that. Okay, now let's differentiate between Cin and Cout. Cin is used to take input, meanwhile Cout is used to show output. Cin is input statement and Cout is output statement. We use insertion operator with Cin and extraction operator with Cout. Syntax of Cin and Cout is given below. I would refer you to read it once for yourself. Thanks for watching.